The light adjustable lens is one of the most exciting advancements in cataract surgery and lens replacement technology that we've had in decades.
Many patients, when they have cataract surgery, think that when their cataract surgery comes out, they're going to see perfect 20/20 without glasses, and everything's going to be like it was when they were a child, And unfortunately, that's not the case. Many times somebody's going to need a pair of glasses or a pair of bifocals or a pair of reading glasses. But what's really fascinating about the light adjustable lens is we can do the surgery, and if we're over or under a little bit, we have the ability to change the power of the lens inside their eye and make them better.
One of the most exciting aspects of this lens is not only the ability to change the prescription of the lens after surgery, but that we can actually change it multiple times. And we can do up to 3 adjustments total before that lens is locked in and has reached its maximum level of adjustability.
Typically, it's about a 60 to 90 second treatment. It's pretty simple. Your chin sits on a little chin rest and you look at a little green light and this light just shines on it. They don't have to do anything particular, but just try and keep their eyes still by looking at the light.
The key characteristics in a patient who would be a great candidate for this light adjustable lens would be, first and foremost, someone who desires that really good uncorrected vision without glasses. I really think it's the most amazing thing in 20 years in cataract surgery.